Hey, good morning, friends. Welcome to day 3 of AAU volleyball and the early bird vlog. It's almost 6 a.m. and we've got a very early call time this morning. There are the girls finally.
This is the same call time
Morning.
we've had every single day.
But now this one's actually technically on time.
Okay, way to be feisty. It's gonna be one of those days. Hey, awesome sauce. Remember, happy breakfast starts here. Well, good morning. We made it. We're here. We're kind of early. Got good seats. Hi, honey.
Good morning.
So we got good seats. Even though our Uber driver got lost and we were on a 30-minute adventure with our Uber driver. Wow. Anyway. All right. Well, I have no idea what today's going to be about, but we'll figure it out. We beat the 1 seed this morning. Now we're getting ready to play the number 2 seed, Legacy from California. And there's a storyline here that's interesting. One of Emily's very best friends in the volleyball world, Allison Jacobs, outside hitter for the youth national team, is on that team. So this will be a good matchup for them. They've played together for a number of years now, and we're excited to see them play against each other as long as we win. One of the greatest things about any volleyball experience is sharing it with the parents. So this has been a great experience. And here are our Instinct moms. All right, here we go, Instinct. Let's go.
Let's go! Let's go!
Well, here we are. As you can see, the early bird is early in bed. We had an amazing day. The team had an amazing day. They won their pool, won a crossover match, and they are going to gold bracket. So happy for them. Emily played amazing defense, probably the best I've seen in some time. Just lights out. The team played amazing. Everyone, they gelled, and it was just a great day. So we're going to gold tomorrow. So the early bird is early to bed. Tomorrow will be my last club volleyball vlog and our last day with Emily in club volleyball. So hoping for a good day. Pray for us. Pray for Emily and her team. That they just played to the max of their ability and to God's glory. Wanted to say that, put that in there. Anyway, good night, everybody. Make a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.